Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create images and photos on Meta AI using, for example, the artificial intelligence and its capabilities. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Meta AI, for example, via Google Chrome, log into your account, although it is not 100% needed to have an account and to use this image feature with an account. You can do that also without an account, but as you can see, I just logged in for demonstration purposes. So what you'll need to do, guys, is simply click into new chat here in the top left, or use the shortcut Control K, and after that use that field here where it says ask anything to enter your prompt to give the artificial intelligence the command to create, for example, a photo for you. So what you want to do is simply you can go with one of these suggestions here. Let me, for example, give a prompt like this: create a photo of a cute kitten in a basket with the Statue of Liberty in the background. So just be creative, guys. As you can see, my prompt is not too creative. Make sure that you provide more information within your prompt. Not as little as I'm doing right now. So what you want to do after that is press enter or click into this button here to give the artificial intelligence the command, and after that Meta AI will start creating your image or photo based on your description or your prompt here. So give it a second. It will provide you with 4 different items or 4 different versions of the image or photo, and there you go. So as you can see, it perfectly, all of these 4 versions perfectly match the description or prompt I gave here above. So what you want to do, guys, is, for example, click into these 3 dots here to copy your prompt. If you'd like to use it in the future as a template, you may rate the response and that artwork by leaving a thumbs up, for example, or ask the artificial intelligence to regenerate, to retry it based on the same prompt. And last but not least, guys, there's also the feature or the possibility to convert images and photos into animations by clicking into animate here. So let us do this really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. Now, I'm not going to wait for the result because it may take a moment, but there you go. You will see that loading circle here. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you create images and photos on Meta AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.